Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? All can hear me? Say yes, ma'am, or show me the thumb from there. Okay, very good. So once again, good morning, everyone. Hope you all are keeping fine and giving your exams well. Giving your exams well. Okay. So very hope to get good marks in every subjects. Right? So for this, we have to wait for some time, for some days, because result only will show the hard work of yours. The results will show the hard work of yours. Okay. So we have to wait for some time, and very soon you will get the date for the parent teachers meeting. Okay. So welcome you all for the live class. Today's live class, myself, Ms. Sharmila, as you know, and I take English 1. So the main I have to give you about attendance. One.
Miss, you are muted. Miss, you are muted.
Now,
Yes, Miss, it is
I
audible.
asked you all, good morning. You said, yes, ma'am, I can hear.
Miss, after you are explaining, then only it is muted.
Okay, between it's muted. Okay. So again to say what I said. So good morning to everyone. Now mute yourself, Shreyansh. Good morning to everyone. Hope you all are keeping fine, giving the exams well. And I'm very hope to get good marks in all the subjects from you all. So that for that I have to wait till the report card, because then only your hard work will be shown. So students, the main what I have to tell you now about your attendance. Attendance is very must, and it will be marked automatically in system. I have not to do anything in that. If you are present there with your proper in the sequence, like your section, name, class, roll number, section, name, roll number. This sequence you have to put for your name. You have to rename. Then only your attendance will be marked. Else, you are present, but your attendance will not be marked. Okay? So please see to it. See to it. Okay? Don't be lazy or neglect that. And attendance is very must for all. And you have to attend all the classes. It's not that only one class you attended and then after you off. You're sitting, enjoying in your room and watching TV. Don't do that. You have to attend all the classes. In between, you are getting the break too. So in that time, you go and enjoy wherever you want to go. But your period time, you come and sit in front of your laptop, your mobile, whatever the device you are using. Okay, students, is that clear to all? That clear to all? All can hear me? All can hear me now? Okay. So we completed the first session, first semester. And today is 16th of August. Yesterday was 15th of August. And I wished you Independence Day. Okay. So today is 16th of August and I am going to start with the second semester. I am going to start with the second semester. So, second semester of 2021-2022. So, whatever is taught in the first semester will not be repeated in second semester. That's all over, finished. So, today for the second semester which I am going to start, the lessons which I am going to teach for this session, first you mark it in your book. So, please open the contents and take a pencil in your hand. Please open the contents and take a pencil in your hand. This. Open this. Contents. All have opened? Take a pencil. Don't use pen in the book. Take a pencil. After lesson 10, I taught you for the first semester. Right? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Now, from lesson 11, I will start for the second semester. So, please put a small tick. Small ticks for all the lessons which I will teach you in this session. Okay? Lesson 11. Lesson 12. Lesson 11, compound personal pronouns. Lesson 12, demonstrative pronouns. Number 13, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative adjective, I think I have taught. Okay. Interrogative sentences I have taught. Okay. This time interrogative pronouns. Next is 14th lesson, relative pronouns. 15, the adjective. 16, comparison of adjectives. Please put small tick in front of that. Number 17, articles. Number 18, the verb. Number 19, agreement of the verb with the subject. Next is lesson 20, tenses. Then 23, lesson number 23, direct and indirect speech. Then come down, letter writing, lesson 31. I will give you 2 letters. For this session also 2 letters that you will get on time. Then story writing, 1 story will be given to you for this session. And lesson 35, idioms and proverbs. So these are the lessons which I will teach you for this session. And 2 essays. 2 essays also will be given. So along with these lessons, 1 story, 2 essays and 2 letters. This is the portion for this second semester. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? All have marked in the book? The lessons you marked in the book? Okay. Now open. So today I am going to start with lesson 20. With lesson 20, tenses. Please open lesson 20. Page number 81. This is the book. Lesson 20, tenses, page number 81. Please all open that book. All have opened? Yawning, Pragya, Satyarthi. Yawning, not slept. Last night, not slept. Pragya, Satyarthi, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Pragya, can you hear me? 1 minute. Now, Pragya, unmute.
Yes, miss. Good morning, miss.
Good morning, Pragya. You're sleeping?
Yes.
Not slept last night. Sleep well. When you get time to sleep, sleep well. So morning when you will get up, you will be fresh. Take bath and then sit for the class. Morning only you get up, take bath, brush teeth, take your breakfast or take a biscuit and a glass of water and then sit for the class. And after this, you will get the half an hour break. In that you have your breakfast. Okay? Okay. Mute yourself, Pragya. So today, this lesson I am going to start tenses. What is tense? What is a tense? Anybody can answer to me? Yes? Anybody can? What is a tense? Shushanta Agarwal. Shushanta 5th B. Okay. Reply. What is a tense? Here I have written the topic also. What is a tense? Means the topic which I have to discuss today.
Ma'am, tense is time.
Tense is a time. Time of what?
Ma'am, time of a verb or doing a work.
Okay, you're reaching very close, but not proper answer. Time of? Yes, Ananya Dubey. Ananya Dubey, answer. Unmute. Sushanta, mute yourself. Ananya Dubey, you reply to me. What is a tense?
Ma'am, a tense, ma'am, anything which we have done in present, past, or future, that is tense.
It is the kinds of tense. This what you are telling me, that is the kinds of tense. Present, past, future, continuous, perfect. These all are kinds, forms. What is a tense? Anybody else? This boy Ayush. Yes, reply. Unmute.
Good morning,
Ask.
ma'am.
Good morning, Ayush.
Ma'am, tense is a time. Time is a work that will be doing, or will do.
Tense is the time of an action. Action. What action you do? You play, you sleep, you eat, you drink, you run. Okay, these all action, and this all action tells tense. Time of action till tense. Now I'll explain you. So what is a tense? If I will say in the simple form, a verb-based method used to tell the time. A verb-based method used to tell the time. But if I will go deeply to tell you what is a tense, then tense is used to denote the time of an action. Tense is used to denote the time of an action. What the action is done, when it is done, that it tells, and that is called tense. Okay. Yes, Ayushi? Ayushi Singh, no? Yes, Ayushi. Unmute.
Miss, your voice is not coming clear.
Let's see your side, maybe network issues. Other all getting my voice properly? Proper way? Yes, Ayushi, please see your network or why or something to fit over there. Just check it.
Okay,
Other
ma'am.
all are getting.
Okay, ma'am.
So all those who has replied to me, please mute yourself. Ayushi, mute yourself. Ayush, mute yourself. Sushanta, Ananya, or mute yourself. Because I am getting the sound from your side. The tense is used to denote the time of an action. Now I will write some examples on the board that will make you clear what is a tense. Okay. See, I am writing some examples over here that will make you clear about pets. 2 examples. And the third sentence. You all can see the board? You all can see the board properly? All? Okay. So here, I have written 3 sentences. I have written 3 sentences. First is, I come here to inquire about you. Second one, I came here yesterday to inquire about you. And the third one, I shall come again to inquire about you. 3 sentences, same sentences, but something is different. What is different? What is different? Yes, Ishika. 1 minute, Ishika. Yes. Ishika, reply. What is different? Difference between these 3 sentences? No, meanings are same. Words are same. Yes, Ishika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Ishika.
Miss, it is tense.
Tenses are different. Verbs are different. Say verbs are different. Okay? Mute yourself. So what are the verbs over here? Yes, Ishika.
Can you say the last chapter of that contents? Last chapter of this semester?
Last semester.
No, miss. This it is your second semester chapters.
Yes. Okay,
On-
Ishika, I'll just give you later. I'll tell you later. Okay, I'm just going with the lesson. Either I'll give you the message to you or I will tell you later. Okay. So here, come, came, and shall come. These are the verbs. And verbs are the main part for the tenses. These verbs only tell you the tenses in which form. Okay? Tense in which form. So, come, came, shall come are the verbs. Show. 1 minute. Show 3 periods of time. Come, came, shall come are the verbs. Not words I am saying. I am saying verbs. Okay. So come, came, shall come are the verbs which show 3 periods of time. 3 periods of time means, now listen. The first one is come. This is the present time. This is the present time. Came tells the past time. And shall come tells the future time. Okay? The first word come, which tells present time. Came, which tells past time. And shall come tells the future time. So these verbs tells you the action of time of the action. When it is done, present time. This is the present time. This is the past time, means yesterday or before yesterday, any day. And it is yesterday already been given the word. And shall come with the coming day. The verb means I again shall come again tomorrow to inquire about you. Okay? So this all tells the time. Present, past and future. So the use of verb which show the time of action or event. It stands its it tells its tense. It tells tense. Okay. Now all these tell about tenses. Is this much is clear to you? First tell me. Anybody having doubt in this? What is a tense? Anybody having doubt? What is a tense? No doubt. Clear? Clear to you? What is a tense? Tense is a time of an action. Tense is used to denote the time of an action. Whatever the action you do, every day you do some action. You don't know what actions you do. Morning, what do? You get up. Action of getting up. Action of brushing teeth. Action of taking bath. Eating, having breakfast, dressing yourself, combing your hair. Okay? Then studying. These all are action. And these actions, what it is, the time of an action, tell the tense. Yes, Prakhar Rao. Any doubt, Prakhar? Prakhar Rao, any doubt? Yes, what's the doubt? Yes? Be louder.
This,
Yes, speak, Prakhar.
can you re-explain because there was no light and my computer was not switching on.
What happened? What happened?
Can you re-explain the tense?
Okay, Prakhar, I will explain you. I will re-explain you tomorrow morning. Not tomorrow, sorry. The next period is on Thursday. So Thursday when I will start the class, I will re-explain. Because if I will go back to re-explain that, then I will be late to teach. Okay. So Thursday when I will take your class, I will re-explain this what is a tense. Okay, Prakhar? Are there anyone having doubt in what is a tense? Is clear? Is clear. So next topic is kinds of tenses. The next topic is kinds of tenses. And what is kinds of tenses? Now tell me, what are the kinds of tenses? Which three kinds are there? Arnav Tiwari, yes. Arnav, unmute. Say now. Arnav, speak. Kinds of tenses, what are those? Unmute yourself. Be fast. Arnav, be fast. Unmute yourself. I'm not getting your voice. You unmute yourself first from your side. You unmute yourself from your side. Sorry, I'm not getting your voice. Yes, who will answer? Advait. Advait. Okay. Unmute. Advait, unmute. Please be fast. Advait, reply to me.
There are three types of tenses: the present tense, the future tense, and the past tense.
Okay, three tenses. The sequence is this way: past, present, future. The three kinds of tenses are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now mute yourself, Advait. So again, I have to give examples for that. I have to again give example, or the same example will be followed. Tell me, shall I give you another examples? No, don't want. Why? Prakhar Rao, why? Don't want to see the examples on the board. The more example, it will make you more clear. Okay, verbally shall I speak? Tenses. That will make you clear the tenses. Okay. First is present tense. He plays in the park every day. He plays. Without writing, you will not be able to understand. Wait. I have to. Okay. Present tense. Past tense. Future tense. So these three tenses are there. These three kinds of tenses. Okay? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense. We place in the palm. Okay? Then past tense. He played in the palm yesterday. Okay? And the third one, he will play in the palm tomorrow. Please see the spelling of tomorrow. What's the spelling of tomorrow? What is the spelling of tomorrow? T-O-M-O-R-O-W. And in the paper, while doing the correction, I found many have written tomorrow spelling wrong in the paper. Why? So already it was given in the question. Then also copied wrong. If you will copy wrong, then what will happen? The marks will cut for it. It's not double N, it is double R. Tomorrow. So double R-O-W. Okay? So these sentences I have written over here. First is for the present tense, second is for the past tense, and third is for the future tense. So which are the verbs over here? Verbs are plays, played, will play. These are the verbs which tells you, these are the verbs which tell you the tense, the action used according to time. Which time? First one, plays means present tense. Played yesterday or before yesterday or any day. Yesterday given, so yesterday. Then will play means tomorrow the action will be done. So this is three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now I will tell you about the forms of tenses. Anybody knows the forms of tenses? Which are the forms of tenses? Anybody can answer to me for it? Forms of tenses? Don't know. So these, what I mentioned over here, just now I told you about present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay? This just now I mentioned has three forms.
First
Yes, first form
person,
is?
second person, third person.
No. Persons are not the verbs, not the forms. Yes, Bhavya. Bhavya, answer to me. Forms.
Ma'am, first person, second person, third person.
No. Anybody else forms? Three forms of kinds. Dipti Mal. Yes, speak Dipti. Unmute yourself.
Is present tense, past tense, and past participle tense.
Present tense, past tense, and
Present participle tense.
participle. Present participle, you are saying? No, here the forms which I am going to tell you. There are three forms. Okay, Ananya Dubey. Yes, Ananya? Unmute.
Past tense and future tense.
Future tense. These are the kinds already I told you. Three kinds I told you. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. These are the kinds. And this, what I mentioned over here, each has three
Yes, sir.
forms. They
हाँ, हो
are
रहा है. Now
Mute yourself, Diptimal. Ananya, mute yourself. You don't know the forms. Anshi Dubey. Anshi Dubey, yes, reply. Yes, unmute.
Miss, the perfect tense, the simple tense, the continuous tense.
Yes, correct. This is the correct answer. Three forms are continuous tense, then, simple tenses, continuous tenses, and perfect tenses. Okay? Simple tenses, continuous tenses, and perfect tenses. So today I am going to start with the simple tenses. The other two I will do in my next sessions. Today I will start with the simple tenses. Simple tenses you all know. The other name of simple tenses, anybody knows? Other name of simple tenses? Indefinite tenses. Indefinite tenses. The other name, other way also of saying simple tense is indefinite. Okay. So, today I will start the simple, I will explain you simple tenses. Now, first to tell you about the simple tenses, that generally what happened, simple tenses, it comes after the subject with the first form. Normally it comes with the subject, first form. But when the third form, the third person is used or single person is used, then what we do? Then we add S or ES with the first form of the verb. What we do? We add S or ES with the first form of the verb. When we use the third person. Third person means he, she, it. And singular. Singular means boy, girl. Okay? These are called singular. Now, I can do one thing. I can make you read the lesson. Okay? Let you read. Anyone can read this? Who will read? Who is sleeping? I'll make them read. Who all are sleeping? Nobody is sleeping now, na? Who is this? Diptimal, where are you? You left the class and went? Where you have gone? Diptimal? She's out of. Okay. Pahel Srivastava. Unmute yourself.
this from where we have to read.
Start from the first. Tenses, lesson 2020, and then start. Read the following sentences.
In group A, the work, drinks, and play tell us that the
First say lesson 20, tenses. Say this.
lesson 20 tenses.
Or look in the book. Or look in your book. Yes. Now read the examples which are there. Pahel, read the examples which are given there. Read the examples.
A, he drinks tea.
Tea.
He drank tea. He will drink tea.
Tea. Yes,
The
correct.
they play cricket. They
Yes.
played cricket. They will play cricket.
Okay, now stop.
In group A,
Stop. Pahel, stop. Mute yourself. Anshi Dubey, read the next.
In group A, the verb drinks and play tells us that the action is happening in the present time.
Yes.
Such verbs are said to be in the present tense.
Okay, wait. Now next, Anshika Singh, read. Unmute first.
In group B, the verb drank and played tell us that the action has already taken place in the past time. Such verbs are
Verbs.
said to be in the past tense.
Such verbs known as the past tense. Agrima Mishra. Unmute. Yes, read the third one. C group.
In group C, the verbs will drink and will play tells us that the action will happen in the future time. Such verbs are said to be in the future tense.
So the examples which are given in the book, I given my examples to you. These examples are very clear to you that first drinks and play. These both are present tense because they are telling the action done in the present time. Okay, so these two words are to be said as present tense. Second is drank and played. Both the verbs are in the past tense. So this shows that these words show that the verbs are in the past tense. And the third one is will drink and will play. They show the action is done in the future time. Okay. So all these are clear to you. Now next. These are three tenses. Akriti Chauhan. Read. Three tenses. Look in the book and read. Akriti.
Yes, miss. There are three tenses: the past tense, the present tense, the past tense, the future tense,
Future
the
tense.
simple tense.
Wait.
Read the following.
Akriti, mute yourself. So,
Okay.
as I told you, kinds of tenses, three tenses, present tense, past tense, and future tense. And then I told about the forms. Simple tenses, continuous tenses, and perfect tenses. So, now my topic is to teach simple tenses. Now, who will read the simple tenses? Tanmay Pandey. Tanmay Pandey, read.
Ma'am, the simple tense, read the following sentences. First, he writes a letter. Second, he wrote a letter. Third, he will write a letter.
Okay. Now, who will read? Ayush Srivastava. Read. First one.
In the first sentence, the verb right shows that an action happens in the present time. Such a verb is said to be in the present simple tense.
Present simple tense. And as I told you, we can also say indefinite tenses. Indefinite present tense. Okay. Now, Dipti, where you went? Where you went? Unmute.
Miss, I gone to toilet.
So I went to toilet. Not I went to toilet. Okay, mute yourself. Now, Aman Singh. Aman Singh, please read the second point.
In the second sentence, the verb law so that an action happen in the past time.
Action.
Such a verb is said to be in the past simple tense.
Okay, read once again, Aman Singh. Once again, read.
In the second sentence, the verb law so that an
The
action
verb wrote. Say the word wrote. Okay, wrote. Shows.
so that an action happen in the past time. Such a verb is said to be
Said to be the
in the past simple tense.
simple past tense. This is known as simple past tense. Wrote word means it is the past tense of write. So I wrote a letter yesterday means it is past tense about yesterday I'm talking about. So that is known as past tense. Abiba, read third one. Abiba, yes, unmute.
In the third sentence, the verb will write
Right.
shows that an action will happen in the future time. Such a verb is said to be in the future simple tense.
Yes. So this is said to be future simple future tense. Okay? Because will and shall are used in the first form of the verb. Then that please mute. Abiba, Habiba? Anybody else? Please mute yourself. This Aman. Yes. As you finish giving answer, please mute yourself. Else you know what happened? Your side voice comes to me. Okay. So in the third, it is clear now. 3 tenses, simple, indefinite tenses also having 3 forms: present, past and future. The simple tense which comes with the plural, no s, es with the verb, but when it is singular or third person use, then we use s or es. That on Thursday I will teach how to add, meant to add. Okay. Then past tense is past tense, the work which is done yesterday or before yesterday or the last month or the last year, that is known as the past tense. And future tense means the work, the action done in the future time, means tomorrow, after tomorrow, or after 2 months, whenever it is. That is future tense. Okay. So now this much is clear to you, tenses. Thursday, when I will start the lesson, I will re-explain that Prakhar Rao told me that he did not get my voice properly. So I will re-explain this in the short, very short way. And then after I explain you how to use S and ES with the verb when the subject is singular. And when the subject is plural, then what to do and what we do with the future tense. Okay. Yes, Ananya has to ask. Yes, Ananya.
The copy when you will write anything, so we will first you will write in 1 page second semester or not?
Yes, when I will give the work to you, I will tell you how to start. Don't worry for it. Okay. When I will give you the work in the copy, I will tell you how to start. And you all know, you just fold 1 page, no, and you write on that second semester. And then after you start your work. So don't worry, I will tell you how to start your work in the copy. I will give the work of this lesson when it will finish. Yes, Ayushi every time questioning. Yes. Ayushi, unmute. Yes, Ayushi, please tell.
My brother is doing the class on Zoom app. I can help in classes on Zoom app. I can help him.
What happened, Ayushi?
Yes, miss.
What happened? Huh?
Miss, my brother is doing the online classes now on Zoom app. Can I help him?
Help him. Which class he is?
UKG.
UKG. Yes, almost the time is going to up. Only 2 minutes left. Just wait for 2 minutes. Then after you go and help him.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So any doubt in this tense? What is a tense? Kinds of tense, forms of tense. Is that clear? Ayushi, mute yourself.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Who is calling me? Ayushi's brother. Ayushi's brother is calling, no? Okay, mute yourself, Ayushi. So these all are clear to you, students? These all are clear to you? No doubt in this? Tenses are clear? Tenses are clear. So time of an action. Tense is used to denote the time of an action. This is what is a tense. Okay. So now on Thursday, when I will come to take class, then I will re-explain you these tenses and explain you simple tenses. That's not over. So that day I will explain you simple tenses, and if I will finish up, then I will go with the continuous tenses. Okay. Is it all? Anything to ask? Nothing? So after this, what you are having? After this period, what you are having? Mass. Mass. Okay, after I think half an hour. Mass. Okay. So after half an hour, you will have the second period, that is of mass. And please children, attend the classes, because now the attendance will be marked. And if not, then you will be in trouble in the report in the final time. So please attend all the classes and be regular for it. Okay. So have a nice day. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.